The 2024 GMC Hummer EV SUV is a game changer in the electric vehicle market, boasting a price tag of around $110,000. This beast packs a staggering 1,000 horsepower and can rocket from 0 to 60 in just 3 seconds. Its impressive range of over 300 miles means you can take it on long adventures without worrying about charging. The design is bold and aggressive, with a rugged exterior that screams off-road capability. Inside, it's a tech lover's dream, featuring a massive touchscreen and advanced driver assistance systems. Plus, the removable roof panels give you that open-air experience. And let's not forget the CrabWalk feature, allowing the Hummer to move diagonally, making tight spots a breeze. With its combination of luxury and ruggedness, the Hummer EV SUV isn't just an electric vehicle, it's a statement.